Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I am in my car, and hopefully it's not too echoey, and I think I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. But I'm in my car. I'm actually on my way to do a few deliveries. So I have 3 deliveries to take care of today. And they are spread out pretty darn far. So I have my GoPro set up, so hopefully you guys can appreciate that. I'm gonna go ahead and get the GoPro started, venture off onto delivery number 1, and I'm bringing you guys along. So those of you guys who always wanted to know how I do my deliveries or what happens on deliveries, here you go. Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, so I'm at the first destination. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna see about putting the camera on top of the car, pointing it at the door, and see if I can get something from it. All right, slight change of plans. I actually picked up another delivery in between the first delivery and the second. So technically this is the second. So I've told you guys before that I have plenty of people who know I do brisket, and whenever I have some extra, if I suggest it or offer it to people who are already getting food and they don't want any extra, I'll start hitting up people on the list, and as people want it, or if people want it, I'm on my way. So I hit up a friend or a customer who's become a friend, and she said she wanted a brisket, so I'm stopping at her house, and it's on the way to the actual second delivery. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her brisket, and then I will continue on. Enjoy it. Hey, thank you. I'll see you next time.
Okay.
All right, so I'm actually at the second planned stop, or the second stop that I had planned on the itinerary for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the young lady her food. I'll be right back with you guys in a moment. I'll see if I can set the camera up. There's a bush in the way, so we'll see how this works out, if it works out. Okay, stop number 3 done. All right, so the next stop, I gotta head to my friend's house, and we'll take him his brisket, and then I'm done for the day. All right, so there it was. There you have it. That was the final delivery. That was to a good Volkswagen friend of mine, and actually he's one of the reasons why I started selling my food or in the beginning, or for the most part. He's one of the people that kind of pushed me, motivated me to take orders and deliver food. He used to get food. He had a standing order every week, so I used to fill his order almost every single week until I went back to work full time. And then, of course, he understood that I wasn't cooking as much, and he only orders food from time to time now. All right, so I am back home, and I wanted to kind of tell you guys the trip. So today, average fuel consumption, 33.3 miles per gallon. I was driving kind of fast. I did 115 miles with an average speed of 49 miles per hour and a total travel time of 2 hours and 22 minutes. So I left my house this morning. It was right about 11 o'clock, and it is now just about 2. Or actually, it's just after 2. So obviously 3 hours, 2 hours, 22 minutes. That sounds about right as far as how long I was out and about and delivering food and things like that. So this is not a typical day. Usually I might have 1 or 2 deliveries, and I typically don't go all the way down to like Southern Maryland, back all the way up to Central Maryland, where Baltimore is. But nonetheless, really want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll roll the outro. Thank you guys again, as always, for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on so you can be notified whenever one of these videos goes live. Speaking of live, I go live every Wednesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern. 2 hours. First hour, we talk about barbecue and or something barbecue business related. Second hour, we kind of shoot the breeze, talk amongst friends. Make sure you bring a cool refreshment with you. Anyway, thanks again as always for watching. I'll see you next time.
More butter, baby.